gangs in Jamaica.
Countries such as ours will find it difficult to survive.
After listening to the speech made by the Barbados Prime Minister and then the speech made by the Jamaican Prime Minister or Prime Minister, I can't help but feel disappointed. Before I continue, try to like, follow, and share. I want to hear from you and to create a community of well thinkers. And when I say disappointed, what Mr. Hollis discussed was important. Organized crime is something that all nations face. It is a major monster in Jamaica that we need to get rid of, we need to cull. So when I say what I'm going to say now, please do not misunderstand what I'm trying to say to you. Mr. Holney spoke about organized crime and how to get, and they need to come together as Caribbean countries and get rid of it, fight this monster. Miss Motley, the Prime Minister of Barbados, spoke about that given the current climate of the global powers that be, the sovereignty of the Caribbean countries may be at risk. And again, people, I can't help but feel disappointed. I can't help but feel as if our Prime Minister was playing it safe. But I could be wrong. What are your thoughts? Share it in the comment section and please be respectful.